Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're making this refreshing juice: ginger, lemon, cucumber and aloe vera. Perfect for detoxing the body. Please like, subscribe and share. Guys, I have my stuff already washed. I'm about to cut them up now. So I'm going to go ahead and cut. Swell them up small so don't put too much pressure on the blender. This is my aloe vera. I'm not going to use a big piece because I don't want it bitter. So I'm going to use like here. I'm going to peel my lemon and put it in the blender. Guys, make sure y'all take out the seed out of the lemon if you have seed. I already take out my seed. So I'm going to add it here. Guys, you can use a blender or you can use a juicer. So I'm going to use my blender. And I'm going to throw in half of the stuff in here. Add water. Okay. And the cover. Nice refreshing juice.
Detox the body, also clean the blood, and good for blood pressure.
I'm putting in the next half. Juice finished blending. So here is my juice finish here, blending. I'm going to add a little honey tape just to give it a little sweet flavor. This is like 2 tablespoons, sorry. So this is my finished juice.
You haven't tasted it now. That's good, man. I tell you, like the little olives, give it a little bit of kick, you know what I mean? But besides that, guys, it's perfect. Yeah, man. You can come taste with it. You're gonna nice.
Yeah, man, good. You're tasting a nice ginger too.
See you on our next video.